might be planning on catching a plane. I overheard you talking about Chicago, but Chicago and planes don't suit your taste. Why not wait till tomorrow, or it be a cold and a windy night? You decide